In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete a group in Snapchat. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, you need to open up Snapchat app and then tap right here to go to your chats. After that, we need to tap right here at groups and then just enter a group. Once it is done, tap right here at the very top at group's name, and then you will be taken to the page that looks like that. And the key here is that on Snapchat we do not have the option that allows us to delete group in one click. However, here I get a workaround for you, and on the first step we need to remove all group members from here. To do that, just long press add a member and then hit add remove from group and then remove. The same we need to do with all the members one by one. Once you have deleted all the group members, on the next step you need to tap right here at these three dots and then tap at leave group. After that, hit right here at leave. Basically, guys, that's how we can easily delete group in Snapchat using this workaround method. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.